In this support video, we will be replacing the ignition igniter called the silicon nitride. Disconnect the power source going into the unit. From the back of the unit, remove all the screws holding up the back panel. Remove the back panel. Locate and disconnect the wire harness going to the igniter. From the front of the unit, remove the screws holding down the burner cover. Next, remove the 4 screws holding down the burner baffle. To gain better access to the silicon nitride, we recommend removing the 2 front screws of the burner. Remove the 2 screws from the connection terminal. Remove the silicon nitride from the terminal. With your new silicon nitride, place into the terminal, align, and fasten the screws. Pass the wire harness to the back of the unit. Place the burner back into position and fasten with screws. Place back the burner baffle and the burner cover. Reconnect the wire harness. Place back the back panel. The installation is now complete.